I have a real problem when people use gay as a derogatory term. I've had really traumatic experiences, like especially being in the South.
Being a girl in a gaming community, like, I've gone through all of it. Being labeled as an attention whore, which admittedly I was when I was 18. I probably still am to some extent.
If you would have called me a nigger, and then a black guy to call me a nigger, like, you know, it should be the same thing. It shouldn't be like, oh, he could call me a nigger, but you can't, you know?
People, like, codifying me as a sexual minority, like, as a negative, that's really disheartening, especially when gamers as a whole are generally more, like, progressive, because we're all sort of weird.
You're not helping girls get into the gaming community at all by using terminology like rape.
As far as rape goes, like that's one of the things I catch myself saying a lot. It's kind of like retarded. Like, it's something that I don't really tend to say because it's kind of downplaying the traumatic effects of natural rape. But I don't think it's as, if we're going to categorize it, what's more offensive, and I'm a little biased.
Everything to me is just perception. Like, you know, those old sayings like, oh, sticks and stones may break my bones, or whatever, yada, yada, yada. So, I mean, if you let it hurt you, then, you know, it's kind of your own fault, because everyone is just branded to feel a certain way about certain words. But I guarantee if everybody was brought up a different way, words with me have different meanings.
Nice.
No, I don't play games.
He doesn't play games. He does high risk, high reward.
I'm all aggressive and shit.
It's high risk, high reward.
All every other coach cancel it.
There's always been like that little rivalry between the two, and I think it comes down to Puff.
He was the first Jigglypuff to do a